In this video, we are going to explore the Form Builder Addon inside Insight CRM, a powerful new feature designed to simplify data collection and improve customer communication. With our latest update, we have introduced the Form Builder Addon, which can be installed directly into your Insight CRM system. After installation, a new Form Builder menu becomes available in the admin panel, giving you full control over creating and managing custom forms. From the Form List section, you can view all previously created forms or create a new one by clicking the Add New button. While creating a form, you simply provide a title and description and start building the form using the built-in form editor. The add-in supports multiple field types including text field, text area, date field, select field, number field, radio group field, and checkbox group field. Adding fields is effortless. Just click on a field type and it will instantly appear in your form. Each field can be edited using the edit icon, removed when no longer needed, or rearranged easily by moving it up or down. Once everything is configured, clicking the Create button instantly publishes the form. You can edit or delete any form at any time. The Submission List section allows admins to track all form responses in one place. Here, you can see how many customers have submitted data and view complete submission details with a single click, making data management simple and efficient. On the client side, users can navigate to the Submit Forms menu from the Client panel, where all admin-created forms are displayed. Clients can open any form, submit their information, and send it directly to the admin without any complexity. This is the power of the Insight CRM Form Builder Addon, a smart, flexible, and user-friendly solution to create custom forms, collect valuable data, and enhance customer engagement within your CRM.